Welcome. Today we're diving into a common question. What is the difference between email automation software and Google Sheets? Both tools are widely used in businesses and personal productivity, but they serve very different purposes. In this video, we'll break down what each tool does, how they work, and when you might want to use one over the other. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of their unique strengths and how they can fit into your workflow. Let's get started by defining each tool and exploring their core functionalities. Email automation software is designed to streamline and automate the process of sending emails. Instead of manually sending each message, you can set up workflows that trigger emails based on specific actions or schedules. For example, when someone signs up for your newsletter, an automated welcome email is sent instantly. These tools can handle large volumes of emails, personalize content, and track engagement metrics like open rates and clicks. Email automation is essential for marketing campaigns, customer onboarding, and regular communication with large audiences. Google Sheets is a cloud-based spreadsheet application that allows users to organize, analyze, and share data in real time. It's similar to Microsoft Excel, but operates entirely online, making collaboration easy. With Google Sheets, you can create tables, perform calculations, visualize data with charts, and even use scripts to automate certain tasks. It's widely used for budgeting, project tracking, data analysis, and more. Unlike email automation software, Google Sheets is not focused on communication, but rather on data management and analysis. The main difference between email automation software and Google Sheets lies in their core purpose. Email automation is built for communication, sending messages to individuals or groups automatically. Google Sheets, on the other hand, is designed for data, organization, and analysis. While you can store email addresses in a spreadsheet, Google Sheets doesn't send emails by itself. Each tool is optimized for its primary function, making them powerful in their respective domains. Email automation software excels at automating repetitive communication tasks. You can set up drip campaigns, schedule newsletters, and trigger emails based on user behavior. Google Sheets also supports automation, but in a different way. With built-in functions and Google Apps Script, you can automate calculations, data imports, and even some workflows. However, automating emails from Google Sheets requires additional scripting or integration with other tools, making it less straightforward than dedicated email automation platforms. When it comes to user interface, email automation software typically features dashboards for managing campaigns, templates, and contact lists. These interfaces are designed to make setting up and monitoring email workflows easy. Google Sheets, in contrast, presents a familiar spreadsheet grid where you input and manipulate data. Its interface is optimized for data entry, formulas, and visualization rather than communication. This difference in design reflects the distinct purposes of each tool. Google Sheets is renowned for its real-time collaboration features. Multiple users can edit the same document simultaneously, leave comments, and track changes. This makes it ideal for team projects and shared data management. Email automation software, while collaborative in the sense that teams can manage campaigns together, is more focused on sending messages out to recipients rather than internal collaboration. The collaboration in email tools is usually about workflow approvals and campaign management. A key strength of email automation software is its ability to personalize messages and segment audiences. You can tailor content based on user data, behaviors, or preferences, ensuring each recipient gets relevant information. Google Sheets can store and organize this data, but it doesn't send personalized emails on its own. For advanced personalization, email automation tools are the go-to solution, while Sheets acts as a supporting database. Email automation platforms provide detailed analytics on campaign performance, such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. These insights help marketers refine their strategies. Google Sheets, while not offering built-in email analytics, is a powerful tool for custom reporting. You can import data from various sources and create your own dashboards and charts. For email-specific analytics, however, dedicated email software is far superior. Both email automation software and Google Sheets can integrate with other tools, but the nature of these integrations differs. Email automation tools often connect with CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, and social media to enhance marketing efforts. Google Sheets integrates with a wide range of data sources, APIs, and productivity apps, making it a flexible hub for data management. Integrations expand the capabilities of both tools, but their focus remains distinct. Security is a top concern for both email automation and spreadsheet tools. Email automation platforms often include features like encryption, compliance with privacy laws, and secure contact management. Google Sheets, as part of Google Workspace, benefits from robust cloud security, access controls, and sharing permissions. However, Sensitive data should always be handled carefully, regardless of the tool. Understanding each platform's security features is crucial for protecting your information. Cost is another important factor when choosing between email automation software and Google Sheets. Many email automation tools operate on a subscription model, with pricing based on the number of contacts or emails sent. Google Sheets is free for individual users and included in Google Workspace subscriptions for businesses. While Sheets offers powerful features at no extra cost, advanced email automation requires investment in specialized software. Ease of use can vary depending on your familiarity with each tool. Email automation platforms are designed to be user-friendly, with templates and guided workflows. Google Sheets, while intuitive for basic tasks, can become complex when using advanced formulas or scripts. The learning curve for each tool depends on your needs. Sending simple emails is easier with automation software, while complex data analysis is better suited to Sheets. Scalability is crucial as your needs grow. Email automation software is built to handle large volumes of emails and contacts, making it ideal for growing businesses. Google Sheets can manage significant amounts of data, but performance may decline with extremely large datasets. For massive communication needs, email automation is more scalable, while Sheets is best for moderate data management and analysis. Email automation platforms offer a variety of templates for newsletters, promotions, and transactional emails. These templates can be customized to match your brand and messaging. Google Sheets also provides templates for budgets, schedules, and reports, which you can modify to fit your needs. However, customization in Sheets is more about data structure and formulas, while email tools focus on visual and content customization. Both email automation software and Google Sheets offer mobile apps or responsive web interfaces. This allows users to manage campaigns or update spreadsheets on the go. However, the mobile experience may differ. Email automation apps focus on monitoring campaigns and quick edits, while Google Sheets enables full spreadsheet editing and collaboration from mobile devices. Consider your mobile needs when choosing a tool. For marketing campaigns, email automation software is the clear winner. It allows you to design, schedule, and track mass email campaigns with ease. Features like segmentation, A/B testing, and automated follow-ups are built in. Google Sheets can help organize campaign data, track results, and manage contact lists, but it cannot execute the campaign itself. Use Sheets as a support tool alongside your email platform. Google Sheets shines in project management scenarios. You can create task lists, timelines, and progress trackers, all shared with your team in real time. While email automation can send reminders or updates, it's not designed for managing project data. For tracking tasks and deadlines, Sheets is the preferred tool, with email automation serving as a notification system if needed. When it comes to data analysis, Google Sheets is the tool of choice. Its built-in functions, pivot tables, and charting capabilities make it easy to analyze and visualize data. Email automation platforms do not offer data analysis features beyond campaign metrics. For in-depth analysis, Sheets is unmatched, while email tools focus on communication and reporting. Email automation software is perfect for customer onboarding. You can set up a series of welcome emails, tutorials, and check-ins that are automatically sent to new users. This ensures a consistent and engaging experience. Google Sheets can help track onboarding progress, but it cannot deliver the onboarding content itself. For a seamless onboarding journey, use both tools together. Google Sheets is commonly used for inventory management. You can list products, track stock levels, and generate reorder alerts using formulas or scripts. Email automation can notify you or your team when stock is low, but it's not designed to manage inventory data. For comprehensive inventory tracking, Sheets is the primary tool, with email automation providing timely notifications. For event management, both tools can play a role. Google Sheets helps organize attendee lists, schedules, and logistics. Email automation software can send invitations, reminders, and follow-ups to participants. By combining Sheets for data organization and email automation for communication, you can streamline the entire event process from planning to post-event feedback. Google Sheets is highly effective for financial reporting. You can build budgets, track expenses, and generate financial statements with ease. Email automation can distribute these reports to stakeholders on a set schedule, ensuring everyone stays informed. While Sheets handles the data, email automation ensures timely delivery of important financial information. Email automation software can distribute surveys and collect feedback from large groups efficiently. Google Sheets can store and analyze the survey responses, making it easy to visualize trends and insights. Together, these tools create a seamless workflow for gathering and processing feedback from distribution to analysis. Scheduling is another area where both tools can work together. Google Sheets can be used to create and share schedules, while email automation can send reminders and updates to participants. This combination ensures everyone is informed and up to date, reducing the risk of missed appointments or deadlines. While email automation software is powerful for communication, it has limitations. It's not designed for complex data analysis, project management, or collaborative editing. You can't use it to build databases or perform calculations. Its primary function is to send, track, and manage emails efficiently. For anything beyond communication, you'll need to rely on other tools like Google Sheets. Google Sheets, while versatile, also has its limitations. It cannot send emails natively without scripts or add-ons, and it's not optimized for mass communication. Handling very large datasets can slow down performance. For advanced marketing, customer engagement, or automated communication, dedicated email automation software is necessary. Many organizations use email automation software and Google Sheets together for maximum efficiency. For example, Sheets can manage contact lists and campaign data, while email automation handles the actual sending and tracking of emails. Integrations and scripts can connect the two, allowing for seamless data flow and automated workflows. This combination leverages the strengths of both tools. Imagine you want to send a monthly newsletter. You can store your subscriber list in Google Sheets, update it as needed, and use email automation software to send the newsletter to everyone on the list. With integrations, any changes in Sheets can automatically update your email platform, ensuring your audience is always current. This workflow saves time and reduces errors. For lead nurturing, you might track leads and their status in Google Sheets. When a lead reaches a certain stage, email automation software can send targeted messages to move them through the sales funnel. This approach ensures timely communication and helps sales teams stay organized, using Sheets for data and email automation for engagement. If you manage appointments in Google Sheets, you can use email automation software to send reminders to clients automatically. This reduces no-shows and keeps everyone informed. By linking Sheets and your email tool, reminders can be triggered based on appointment dates, ensuring a smooth scheduling process. For e-commerce businesses, order details can be stored in Google Sheets. Email automation software can then send order confirmations, shipping updates, and follow-up emails to customers. This ensures a professional and timely customer experience, with Sheets handling the data and email automation managing communication. During employee onboarding, Google Sheets can track tasks, document submissions, and training progress. Email automation software can send welcome messages, training schedules, and reminders to new hires. This combination streamlines the onboarding process, ensuring nothing is overlooked and every new employee feels supported. Support teams can log tickets and track their status in Google Sheets. Email automation software can send updates to customers as their tickets are resolved or require more information. This keeps communication clear and ensures customers are always in the loop, while Sheets provides an organized view of all support requests. Nonprofits often use Google Sheets to manage volunteer schedules and contact information. Email automation software can send event reminders, thank you notes, and updates to volunteers. This ensures everyone is informed and appreciated, making volunteer coordination more effective and less time-consuming. Membership organizations can track renewal dates and member information in Google Sheets. Email automation software can send renewal reminders and confirmations automatically. This reduces manual work and ensures members stay informed about their status, improving retention rates. Educational institutions can use Google Sheets to manage class registrations and student lists. Email automation software can send registration confirmations, class schedules, and updates to students. This ensures clear communication and organized data management, making the registration process smooth for everyone involved. Nonprofits can track donations and donor information in Google Sheets. Email automation software can send thank you emails, donation receipts, and updates to donors. This combination helps maintain strong donor relationships and accurate records, supporting fundraising efforts. Content teams can plan and track publishing schedules in Google Sheets. Email automation software can notify team members of deadlines, publish dates, or content approvals. This keeps everyone aligned and ensures timely content delivery, with Sheets managing the schedule and email automation handling notifications. Finance teams can log expenses in Google Sheets and use email automation software to send approval requests or notifications to managers. This streamlines the approval process, reduces delays, and keeps everyone informed about expense status, combining data management with automated communication. HR teams can use Google Sheets to track employee performance data and review schedules. Email automation software can send reminders to managers and employees about upcoming reviews or feedback deadlines. This ensures a smooth and timely review process, with Sheets handling the data and email automation managing communication. Organizations can use Google Sheets to monitor compliance tasks and deadlines. Email automation software can send alerts when compliance actions are due or overdue. This helps organizations stay on top of regulatory requirements, reducing the risk of missed deadlines and penalties. Recruiters can manage candidate pipelines in Google Sheets, tracking applications, interviews, and statuses. Email automation software can send interview invitations, status updates, and rejection letters automatically. This ensures timely communication with candidates and organized recruitment data for the team. To sum up, email automation software and Google Sheets are both powerful tools, but they serve different purposes. Email automation is built for communication, enabling you to send, track, and personalize messages at scale. Google Sheets is designed for data management, analysis, and collaboration. While there is some overlap through integrations, each tool excels in its own domain. Understanding these differences helps you choose the right tool for your needs. In conclusion, both email automation software and Google Sheets are essential tools in modern workflows. Email automation streamlines communication and marketing, while Google Sheets excels at organizing and analyzing data. By understanding their differences and how they can complement each other, you can build more efficient and effective processes. Whether you're managing campaigns, tracking data, or automating tasks, choosing the right tool or combining both will help you achieve your goals more efficiently.